In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create form fields in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to start a new form, add a field, pick the right field type, and fine-tune its settings so the data you collect is clean, accurate, and easy to use. Start on the Smartsheet homepage and look for the option to create something new. Choose Start a new project, program, or process. This opens Smartsheet's creation flow, which is just a guided path for building out what you need. To keep full control and avoid cleanup later, select Start from Scratch. Templates can be helpful, but they may include columns and rules you don't need. Starting fresh gives you a blank slate with no surprises. Next, choose Form as your starting point. Smartsheet will automatically create a form and link it to a sheet behind the scenes. Every time someone submits the form, their answers land in a new row on that sheet, ready for sorting, filtering, and reporting. You'll now see the Form Builder canvas. Click the plus New Field button to add your first question. In the label area, type a clear, plain language name that matches the information you want. For example, name works well for a basic identification field. Keep labels short so they're easy to scan. Now choose the field type. Open the field type menu and pick date if you want people to select a calendar date instead of typing free text. Using the correct type unlocks built-in validation and tools like a date picker, which helps prevent typos and makes downstream analysis more reliable. Click OK to add the field. You can adjust any field at any time by clicking on it. This opens the field settings where you can refine the label, add help text to clarify what's expected, and decide whether the field should be required. Help text is great for brief instructions. Think one concise sentence that removes ambiguity. For date fields, you'll also see options to control valid entries, such as allowing only future dates for deadlines or only past dates for events that already happened. These rules catch mistakes early and protect the quality of your sheet. As you build, follow a few best practices. Keep labels descriptive but brief. Add help text only when a rule isn't obvious, and mark fields as required only when the data is truly necessary. Thoughtful choices here lead to faster form completion and cleaner submissions. And that's it. You've created a properly configured form field in Smartsheet and set yourself up to collect accurate, reliable information you can trust.